Hi everyone, welcome to Phone Transformer. Today I'll show you how to open an old Instagram account in New Phone so you can access your profile without any confusion. In this video, now let's get started. Step 1, open the Google Play Store on your new phone. This is the official app store where you can download trusted applications, and it usually comes pre-installed on Android devices. Step 2, search for Instagram in the search bar and install the app. This ensures you are using the latest and secure version of Instagram on your new phone. Step 3, open the Instagram app once installation is complete. This is where you begin the login process for your old account. Step 4, enter your old Instagram account username. This helps Instagram identify which account you want to access. Step 5, tap on the password box and enter your Instagram password to log in. Step 6, after giving the password, tap login. You will be logged into your old Instagram account on your new phone, and you can continue using it like before. Step 7, if you forget your password, then tap Forgot Password and follow on screen instructions to reset passwording. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to the Phone Transformer channel for more helpful videos.